Good morning, dear children. Welcome to GK class. Today in GK, we are going to learn a new topic, that is National Symbols of India. Open GK book page number 64 and 65. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the help box. Let's do the first one. The national dash has saffron, white, and green strips. It has a navy blue wheel at the center. Second, the national dash is found in forests. It has yellow and black strips. Third, the national dash has many colors. Its neck is beautiful blue. It has long feathers that open like a fan. Fourth one, the national dash is yummy, juicy, and golden yellow. We eat it a lot in summer. Fifth one, the national dash is pink or white. It has big round leaves. The last one, the national dash is huge and shady. It has many long, thick, and hanging roots. Now let's see a V's fact. The national emblem of India has three lions standing on a band with a wheel at the center. Below the wheel are the words Satyameva Jayate, which mean truth alone triumphs. Now let's see a V's quiz. We have all seen the national emblem. Where can you see it? Now you have to write here. Now let's go to the next topic, that is hidden animals. Find the animals hidden in this jungle and have fun coloring them. Thank you. Have a nice day.